Hello friends, welcome to my channel Spec Info. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm gonna show you how to code in a Linux terminal and how to execute the file, how to save the file and so more. So the things we will require for that is text editor, any default text editor in which there in your system, you can use that. And compiler, I am using a GCC compiler. As I am going to compile, I am going to demonstrate a C language. So this compiler is for compiling the C language and C++ language, so I will use this. If you wanna code different language, so you have to use that respected compiler. So let's start. So go to your terminal, closing this notepad. So this is my terminal. Okay, I'm using a Kali Linux. You can perform the same procedure on Ubuntu too. So here my editor is mousepad, so I will type mousepad and I will create a file named demo with extension .c. Enter. So it will automatically open the notepad and create the file with the name demo and with an extension .c. So I'm going to code here. I'm not going to teach here how to code a C. I'm just going to show how to do with terminal. So this is I will give the command my first C program, and here including my header file. So hashtag include angle bracket, close opening angle bracket, closing angle bracket, and stdio.h, then standard input output header file. Enter. Creating the main function, parenthesis, two curly brackets in which we are going to write the code. Now I'm simply going to display a single string. String means a sentence or any word which containing the alphabets and special anything you want to print on a screen is called string, right? So here I am going to use printf parenthesis. Inside parenthesis we will type here hello YouTube. So it will print hello YouTube on a blank screen, right? As we know, semicolon, return 0. As we create a main function of type int, so we have to return the integer value. So I'm returning 0. So save this file by going here and save here, or simply using a shortcut Ctrl+S. So this file is saved. Okay, so this file is saved. Now you can close this text editor or you can minimize as you wish. Now we are back to terminal. So for compiling the terminal, we have to type certain commands. Before that, check whether the terminal is there in your system. Compiler is there in your system or not. So to check that, type which space GCC. It will give the absolute part where the GCC is located, my compiler. So it is in user bin user/bin/GCC. So my compiler is in my system. So I will go further. So to compile the file, we have to type GCC, my compiler name, my file name, demo.c, and -o, demo output. -o is my output, and it will my output will execute and it will store in demo output file. So click enter. So as we can see here, it is not giving any error. So our file has 0 error, our code is all right, so we can go further for execution. So to execute the file, we have to type, before that I will show we have created this demo.c and demo output file in a system. So type ls. So it will list all the directories in our system. So we can see here, this is our output file and this is our C file, right? Demo.c. So we have done. We can also print in a long format, so we can see here is demo output and demo.c. okay, so clear the terminal. So we will execute the file, right? So for execution, dot forward slash demo output. This is the command to execute the specific file. Our output file name is demo output, right? So we will execute that. Enter. Oh yes. So we get the output as hello YouTube as we required. So this is the way how you can use the Linux terminal to create any coding file, and you can compile it and you can execute here. All work we can do using the terminal, and you can see it is very fast. It is responding very quick, and also we are getting output in few seconds. If we are having any error, for example, I am going to show you which error I am. So it will display what error we have in terminal itself, so we don't have to fix it and all. I mean, it's required very less time, right? So what I will do here is, I will type only print here, not F. We type print here only and save this. Okay, saved. Now minimize it. Okay, now compile the file. First we have to do the compilation. So as we know, gcc demo.c -o demo output. So see, we get an error. So what is the error? Warning, implicit declaration of function print. Did you mean printf? So it will show what is the error, and it will also show how to correct it. So we have to write printf instead of printf. So we will do that. Go back to your editor, text editor. See, it's taking time when I click here. If I have opened from the terminal by simply using mousepad, so it opens quick, right? So it takes less time. So we are on our text editor, so we'll correct our code. We'll use printf, save the file, minimize it, compile it. Yeah, it's not giving an error, means our code is well and good. So we can execute, as we know how to execute that, /demo output, and we get an output. So this is the way we can use the Linux terminal. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, if you find this content useful, so like my video and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications of latest video on my channel. Thank you.